Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Uber Cash functions as a digital balance and wallet. This allows you to refill it at any time, and if you purchase $100 in Uber Cash, it never expires and can be used for rides or foods orders. So for you to use Uber Cash, what you have to do is fill up your balance before ordering. You just have to follow a simple process for that. Go ahead and open the app. Now click on the account section that is on the bottom right corner. You want to head and over to the wallet tab. Make sure that your payment method is listed. Go ahead and click on this add payment method if needed. You just have to follow the prompts over here and it should be successfully added. Once that is done, head and over to the wallet tab. Once you have added the payment method here, you should see the option of add funds. Select that. Then select your payment method. Choose the amount that you want to add to your wallet. Then finally you just have to confirm your balance will be ready for your next ride or meal. Users can also offer an auto refill for convenience. You can use this fund when you are calling a ride or placing an order in the Uber Eats tab. Finally, what you have to keep in mind is that you have to ensure Uber Cash is selected as your payment method. When you are checking out, you can easily switch to Uber Cash in the payment section. This process is simple and easy for frequent users. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.